best performance cars for 2024 Volkswagen Golf R. Amidst the flurry of excitement surrounding the latest automotive releases for 2024, the 2024 Volkswagen Golf R emerges as a standout among the best performance cars of the year. Renowned for its blend of exhilarating performance, practicality, and refinement, the Golf R continues to captivate drivers with its dynamic driving experience and versatile design. The 2024 Volkswagen Golf R makes a bold statement with its sleek and sophisticated design that exudes athleticism and elegance. Its clean lines, aggressive front grille, and distinctive R-line accents create a sporty appearance that's sure to turn heads on the road. From its LED headlights to its quad exhaust tips and rear spoiler, every detail is meticulously crafted to showcase the Golf R's performance-oriented nature. Under the hood, the 2024 Golf R boasts a potent turbocharged engine, delivering exhilarating performance and responsive acceleration that's sure to thrill drivers. With its all-wheel drive configuration and advanced suspension system, the Golf R offers precise handling and agile cornering, making it a joy to drive on both the track and the street. But it's not just about performance. The 2024 Volkswagen Golf R also impresses with its practicality and versatility. Despite its high-performance credentials, the Golf R remains a practical daily driver, with ample cargo space, comfortable seating, and a host of standard features designed to enhance comfort and convenience. As one of the best performance cars for 2024, the Volkswagen Golf R represents the perfect blend of exhilarating performance and everyday usability. Its sleek design, impressive performance, and practical features make it a top choice for drivers who demand high-performance capabilities without sacrificing comfort or practicality. In a market filled with contenders vying for attention, the 2024 Volkswagen Golf R stands out as a true standout, a symbol of Volkswagen's commitment to performance and innovation. With its blend of performance, practicality, and refinement, it continues to captivate drivers around the world, solidifying its place among the best performance cars of 2024 and beyond.